Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. So in today's video, we're just gonna try the throttle controller that I got before on my Toyota CHR. We'll try if it will work on the Rav4. Yep, according to the website of that company, it's not gonna work with the Rav4. It's not under list. So yeah, so I'll show you what they have here. So this is the one I got. So it's only for the Vios, Yaris, Camry, Alphard, and Velfire. So RAV4 is not listed. So I don't know which adapter it actually used. But since I got this one already, better I'll just check if they have the same socket or the harness, the plug on the harness. So we'll check on that because I'm like, I woke up, let me just check it out. And I keep thinking about it. So I just went to here in the garage and check it out. So that's why I'm just using my phone, not my actual camera, but it should work. All right, so let's check it out. Okay, so first we have to remove this cover. So there's two screws holding it here and there, and then we're just gonna use a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you put some kind of tape to kind of protect it, even if it doesn't protect it. And then if you cannot unplug the clip, so this, if you cannot push it and pull, because sometimes it's like sucked in there. But yep, so just pull and push and pull. So if you can't do that, just use a flathead to kind of wiggle it out. And yep, so which I already did. So the harness is already unplugged, and you can see it, it's in there hanging, that one. So yep, so we're just gonna try if this throttle controller that I had before works or not. Alright, so it plugs in there flawlessly. So if this actually works, it's gonna be awesome. Yeah, and I'll put the link on the description down below, and I'll report to the company to put this under list, because it's not under list that it works. But yeah, well, let's put in the actual controller connected to the module. All right. Okay, so I feed the wire under the steering wheel here. So I might position it somewhere here. I might position the controller here. So let me just grab the controller and I'll show you. But for those who followed me before on my CHR, so this is the same controller. I'll put the link if you want to watch that. I'll put the link up here somewhere there. Yep, I'm just using my phone because this is like an impromptu video, and I'm just like tinkering about it, and let me just try. All right. Okay, so this is the control module that we have here. So if you can see, it's like the plastic covering for it. Yeah, so this one, we're just gonna plug the controller to the module. Yeah, so this is nice. So I need to replace this, but first let me just plug it in and try it out. All right. Okay, so I think I'll position this in here. So but when you're driving, you're not seeing it depends on the orientation. Still, you cannot see it. You have to look down. That's the only downside if I put it in there, but I think that works because I can just set it up before I go. And I usually like constantly drive with this one on setting number 5, I guess. But yeah, so I think I'm good. I'll just put it in here. I just have to replace the double-sided tape and it should work. I love it. So let me just press the accessory. It should light up. Oh wait, it says key not detected. Hold on, let me get the key. Okay, so now we have the key. Let me press the button here. Alright. See, it still have like the memory. Yeah, so I still have the memory from the last time I used it from the CHR. So I told you that I'm... What the heck? Let me start it now. Yeah, man, this is awesome. I love it. I love it. I love it. So it should respond faster. So yeah, so it's responsive. Yes, I'm happy. So with this one, for our new friends that haven't watched the previous video, so you adjust this. This is the button. So then there will be like A, B, C. So 0 is basically nothing. It's not as responsive. And then 1 all the way up there. So 5 is like the mid. I can go like crazy. A, B, C, D, E. See, and it's so sensitive. The accelerator, it's so sensitive when I do that. So, but I just put it on number 5, number 6, just to be conservative. All right.